This is going to be an exciting process. I'm going to attempt to load my truck camper for the first time. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to test this. For loading a truck camper, the first thing you got to do is square up with your truck. You back up to where you're even. I like to be even from the get-go. This is my runway, just like an airplane, taking off on a runway. And then there's your 2 orange spots in your camper. You line these up with this. It's pretty simple. Okay, you're squared up pretty much, so you got it pretty well squared. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take these blocks out. The front first, not the back, until we're under the camper. Alrighty guys, I couldn't show it while I was actually doing it. This goes to the people who may want a slide-in camper. Say, damn. Whoa. Oh, accidents happen. Oof. Got it done. You just have to kind of line this up here. Make sure this is up above here. I think that it just keeps going uphill. And I guess there's no replacement for doing it, you know. The actual doing of the thing. Now, and you can stick around for my channel because there'll be plenty of good drama like this. So, it's cool. Never really loaded a slide-in camper before in my life. First time. After all the YouTube videos I've watched of all these channels, Mobile Hobos, Leave Everything and Wander, all these other truck camper channels of people. Okay, I want to show you when the camper's on the truck for the first time. Okay, now here's my pass-through, and you can see where my truck is. The cab of my truck perfectly corresponds. And when I get a removable rear window, you can get a removable rear window. You can just slip right through. Just like if you're in a van or a small class C or whatever. And so, I put my drain plugs up here in case it leaks, and I still got a little bit of leaking. So I'm going to need more Dicor. I'm going to need more Dicor, so I'm going to buy some more Dicor and put it upon these front seams. And so, I got my little cargo carrier to be my porch. Ooh. And I'll show you the camper on the truck where I worked and got it on here for the first time. I believe the first time is the hardest. So like I said, these jacks, you can't drive away with these jacks attached to your truck because you have to put them in these holders. So, I've got the jacks jacked up a little bit so it'll be level for my refrigerator. Because, you know, you can't, your refrigerator is supposed to be level to function properly. Let's see. Here we go. Looks different, really does look different with the camper on the truck. Pulled out from under the camper because I really do believe that the camper, I need to lower it to the ground to work on it. So that's what I need to do, lower this thing to the ground so I can seal the camper, seal the corners. I'm going to get it as low to the ground as I can so my mom can walk around in here. I'll let you go, bye.